Using a flathead probe, unsnap the back cover from the frame along the edges. Lift up to remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Remove the 6 screws that secure the battery to the frame. Lift up to remove the battery. Disconnect the speaker cable from the system board. Lift up to remove the speaker. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cable. Using a flathead probe, release the camera conductive tape. Using a flathead probe, detach the antenna from the frame. Lift up to remove it. Disconnect the camera cable from the system board. Pick the camera out of the enclosure. Lift up to remove it. Release the ZIF connector and disconnect the camera cable from the system board. Pick the camera out of the enclosure. Disconnect the GPS and wireless antenna cables from the system board. Remove the touch cable. Disconnect the video signal cable. Disconnect the vibration motor cable. Remove the 4 screws that secure the system board to the frame. Lift up to remove the system board. Using a flathead probe, release the adhesive backing of the motor from the frame. Lift up to remove the vibration motor.